Okay, hello guys. In today's video, we will be playing OG Animal Company. It's that simple. Wow. I'm in Armstrong. Oh! Okay, we're gonna collect all the loot.
Oh, you need to run.
By the way, I have a. Anyway, I don't know. This is before the reskin of the. If we fall, I'm gonna crash out.
Doesn't matter if I take my loot back. No.
Oh, there. Oh, golden. Yep, there's modders in this game. Okay, so in this video, we will be playing the OG version of Animal Company. I know it's not that much. No sewers. Now haunted mansion. Anglers here. I think we're gonna go check it out. Or maybe Slenderman, I don't know. We got red light, green light, what? OG. Okay. So I think chicken's over here. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this chicken. No! Okay, last we're gonna go on a random.